understanding, stay aware, enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a common English phrase, stay aware. It's a phrase you might hear in daily conversations, news, or safety instructions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in context. So, let's get started. Stay aware is a phrase that encourages continuous attention and consciousness about one's surroundings or situations. It's about keeping oneself informed and ready to act if necessary. Awareness is key here, and it involves all of our senses and mental alertness. Staying aware is crucial for safety and making informed decisions. It's particularly emphasized in situations where lack of attention can lead to serious consequences. Whether you're driving, walking in a busy city, or just browsing the internet, being aware can protect you from harm. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. While hiking in the woods, it's important to stay aware of the wildlife around you. When you're online, stay aware of the information you share to protect your privacy. Improving your awareness involves practice. Try these tips. Focus on the moment. Avoid distractions and try to concentrate on the here and now. Observe your environment. Take note of the details around you. Stay informed. Keep up with news and updates relevant to your activities. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase, stay aware, for you. Remember, staying aware is about being alert and informed. Use this phrase to remind yourself and others to pay attention to the world around you. Stay safe, stay informed, and of course, stay aware. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.